Hello and welcome to this edition of Complex Problems, Simple Solutions. In this edition, we are talking about how do we save heritage buildings, structures and monuments from disfigurement due to use of graffiti by people. So let us take a look at the problem and very briefly analyze it. What is the primary problem here? Many times, young teen couples visiting heritage buildings and monuments do draw, paint, etch or write their names on the walls and doors, etc. of the heritage building with one or more symbols like the symbol of love, say. A few angry activists also might make use of various forms of graffitis on these precious walls and doors and other elements of these monuments. It is fairly widespread, more so than what we might think, as we may see in the next slide. Themes or simply beautify the areas where, without disturbing the heritage value, they could do so, often as part of a culture or a large project. We are not talking about these here. We are talking about all cases excluding this form of graffiti. So what is the solution? In a nutshell, the solution we are talking about is a geolocation labeled digital graffiti that is possible to be stored and later retrieved easily from any device like a smartphone or tablet that you may have over the cloud. It could allow you timeless memories and it would completely eliminate defacement of walls, doors and roofs of heritage structures. So what all is involved? What is being proposed? Simple words: digital graffiti technology that takes care of geolocation awareness and tagging or labeling, permits annotated images or annotated videos to be stored and retrieved on the device or from the cloud. Why it is being proposed? The principal reason is it is inexpensive, it uses commonly used handheld devices like smartphones and tablets, and everyone has it. Also because it takes care of expressions, emotions, timeless memories, which anyone interested in preserving would consider. And at the same time, this does not require defacement of buildings or monuments of historical or heritage value. So how does it work? What are the elements involved? It involves augmented reality. And augmented reality is a form of computer-mediated reality. What we do is that we may capture certain elements from the real world. For example, I may simply take my smartphone or tablet and use its backside camera and capture an image or a photograph, a still image or a still photograph, or even a video for that matter of the place, and may annotate it either using audio, or I may choose to simply use digital ink, use a stylus or my own finger to draw anything, write anything, sketch anything on the top of it. And once done, I could save it alongside automatically collected geolocation information so that the place, its coordinates, its name, date, time, everything is captured and embedded in the final object, which will be stored first in a compressed form on the device, and then if it is connected through the internet, it would go to the cloud where it will get stored for retrieval from any of the devices, whether smartphone, tablet or even in your living room, to a connected television or a video wall, even years later you might want. If you see on this slide, left hand side top shows you Kumbhalgarh fort in Rajasthan having been defaced through physical graffiti. Right hand side shows an article on the top, a Times of India article where UNESCO experts have expressed concerns about use of graffiti that walls of famous Golconda fort in Hyderabad are suffering from. So what is the solution? I have already explained it, but you can take a look at the way it could be used. The bottom right hand side shows a simple tablet capturing an image of a site. And then if you carefully look at it using a stylus or finger, a yellow sketch has been used for annotation. You could use anything, any other color. You could write anything, you could sketch anything, you could even speak into it and it will get embedded alongside all of this information. And once stored, years later you can retrieve it from any device. Let us therefore use this simple technology and help encourage those who are interested in graffiti to use this timeless, inexpensive and friendly method to save our monuments of historical and heritage value. Thank you.